Hello again, everyone. This is Chad at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia, and today I want to show you this really cool little 2017 Kia Soul Plus. Really neat little car. Tons of room inside, really comfortable to drive. This is a really good color too. If the sun would come out, we'd be able to show you a little bit more. But it has a pretty fresh set of tires on it. As you can see here, the paint and body are in really good shape. Really clean unit. We'll show you the interior while the sun's hiding behind the clouds for a moment. Then maybe we can show you. It's a really cool, like a aqua blue-green metallic. You can see here, power windows, locks, mirrors, tilt steering, cruise control. It does have the Bluetooth for your hands-free operation with your telephone. As you can see, the seats are in really good shape. Automatic car. It does have automatic climate control there, and then of course your backup camera. Nice and clean headliner there. As you can see, plenty of room in that back seat. It's kind of surprising. The car definitely looks a lot smaller from the outside than it really is. And when you open the hatch up, you've got a ton of cargo space back here. But of course, even more so, if you need, you can drop both of those seats down like so. And that gives a whole lot of cargo space. Then you have a little bit more cargo area underneath at the bottom there, and your spare is underneath of that as well. But a good little unit, as you can see, really clean, very well taken care of. 2017 Kia Soul Plus. Here comes that sun. Let's see if we can get a shot. There we go. Show you a little bit about that color. It's kind of hard to see in the video, I think, but definitely much prettier in person. But right here at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia, 3203 Victor Boulevard. Been right here since 1974. We offer tons of great financing options for all different types of credit. We can help arrange for shipping and sometimes even delivery. You can check us out online at www.holidaymotors.com. Call or text us directly at 757-487-7333. Holiday Motors since 1974. Thanks for watching. We look forward to meeting you.